So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about correcting vision defects. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this video, you will get a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. So just like we discussed in our previous video on the eye, the way the eye works is quite complex. And sometimes it doesn't really work so well, but we actually have ways of correcting it. So people can be long-sighted or short-sighted. Long-sighted people cannot be able to focus on near objects, whereas short-sighted people are not able to focus on distant objects. So the medical term for long-sightedness is hyperopia, and this occurs when the lens is the wrong shape and doesn't refract or bend the light enough, or the eyeball is too short. The images of near objects are then brought into focus behind the retina. You can use glasses with convex lens to correct these eye defects. So the lens refracts the light rays, so they focus on the retina. On the other hand, the medical term for short-sightedness is myopia, and this occurs when the lens is the wrong shape and refracts the light too much, or the eyeball is too long. So the images of distant objects are then brought into focus in front of the retina. So you can use glasses with concave lens to correct it so that the light focuses on the retina. Well, there are several treatments for vision defects, such as the use of contact lenses, where the lenses that sit on the surface of the eye are shaped to compensate for the fault in focusing. We can also make use of laser eye surgery, where a laser can be used to vaporize the tissues, changing the shape of the cornea. And again, replacement lens surgeries can also be used, where the natural lens of the eye is removed and then an artificial lens made of clear plastic is inserted in its place. So guys, here is a free practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.